What if you heard that an army lost a battle to birds? In 1932, Australia faced an unexpected adversary, the emu. After World War I, veterans were encouraged to farm wheat in Western Australia to boost the economy. But as crops grew, so did a problem. Over 20,000 emus migrating inland for food and water after their breeding season. These massive, flightless birds trampled fences, destroyed crops, and devoured harvests, threatening farmers' livelihoods and pushing them to the brink. In desperation, the government deployed soldiers armed with machine guns to wage war on the feathered invaders. Yet, the emus proved astonishingly resilient. Fast, scattered, and surprisingly tactical, they dodged bullets and outmaneuvered the troops. Despite firing thousands of rounds, only a small fraction of the emus were killed or injured. The operation was eventually called off, with the birds victorious and the farmers still desperate for a solution. The Great Emu War remains a bizarre and almost unbelievable chapter in history, highlighting the unpredictable consequences of human intervention in nature. Today, emus still roam freely across Australia, a living reminder of the time they outsmarted an army and won their battle.